guys, it's me, Pinky Wings here, and I'm back with part 2 of this. And I just uploaded the other video just a couple minutes ago. And, oh, come on, they stopped. No. Yes. There's a bunch of fireflies over there. Well, I can't see them because it's pitch black. Why?
No, turn it off while they're done. So you don't waste it.
Okay, guys, so they are starting back up again. I got it in a bit of a tongue twist there. But yeah, I'm gonna pause this until more come because every time I seem to start the camera, they start to stop. So be right back again. Ooh, that one was pretty. That one just keeps going. You guys probably can't hear me. That's why I'm yelling. Okay, now you guys can probably hear me. Huh? Exactly. This reminds me a lot like this song, whoa, Boom Crack, if that's even what it's called. Ouch. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for now. There's gonna be part 3 to this, so anyways, bye!